I'm going to discuss 4 deadly sins of housekeeping that we should not come across. Why my room is not clean till now? Look at the bed sheets, it's stained. The towels kept in my room are not up to the mark, it's smelly. Why don't you keep bathroom slippers in my room? Have you come across these kind of guest complaints? Yes, these kind of guest complaints can be managed, but we should not get across some kind of guest complaints that we are going to discuss today. My name is Gopinath. Welcome and Vanakkam to the channel G for Growth, where you can learn more about housekeeping and hotel industry. Well, if you are new to our channel, want to know more about housekeeping and hotel industry, do subscribe and join us. By the end of this video, you will come to know what are the 4 deadly sins of housekeeping, how they are making impact on the guest experience, and how to avoid them. Let us get in. The 4 deadly sins of housekeeping are hair on the bed, hair in the bathroom, trash in the room, and mold in the bathroom. The first sin is hair on the bed. If the guest finds a hair on the bed, the guest will feel that the bed sheet have not been changed. It's unhygienic. The guest will feel very bad about housekeeping. So we have to avoid by making the bed without hair. How we can make the bed without hair? We can avoid the hair on the bed by checking each and every bed linen before putting them. We have to first check the mattress protector, bed sheet, second sheet, duvet cover, pillow cover before putting each and everything, so that we can easily see the hair whether anything is there. After making the bed, just open the duvet like this and check. You can use lint rollers on the bed to check any hairs are there. If you feel that your own hair is falling, make sure that you are wearing a hairnet to avoid falling. The second thing the guest should not see is hair on the bathroom. If the guest is seeing the hair in the bathroom, again the guest will feel that it's unhygienic, it is not cleaned properly. To avoid hair falling on the bathroom, you have to make sure you are putting hand mop properly. From corner to corner, hand mop should be done very properly so that you can avoid hair. After drying, you have to make sure that you are vacuuming the bathroom thoroughly. Always check for your wash basins, bathtubs, because that is white surface. The guest can easily find out the hair. Always remove your chili cups in the drain, wash basin pop-ups and wash it properly so that you cannot find any hair in the bathroom. The third deadly sin of housekeeping is trash in the room. Don't think that trash means like this. A very small debris also considered in this. If the guest finds trash in the room, the guest feels like the housekeeping is not up to the mark. It's inefficient. There is no value for money, unhygienic, etc. Most of the times we used to miss out the dustbin in the room. Don't look at the dustbin in 120 degree. Always look at the dustbin in 90 degree so that you can able to see what is inside the dustbin. If you have pedal dustbins in the room, make sure that you are always opening it, checking it. If you feel that your dustbin is not up to the mark, always wash them and disinfect them. Always vacuum your room very properly. Always check behind the curtains, under the cot. If you have furniture, remove them and vacuum them so that you will not miss out any trash in the room. Make sure that you are washing your damp mops properly and using it. If you don't wash them properly, it will leave the dirt of the previous room in the current room. The fourth deadly sin of housekeeping is mold or mildew in the bathroom. Mold or mildew is a fungus formation in the bathroom that is because of the moisture content in the bathroom and the lack of ventilation. If any mold or mildew is there in the bathroom, if the guest sees it, the guest will definitely feel that it's unhygienic, it's not up to the mark. The housekeeping is not maintaining any standards. So make sure that you are not having any mold or mildew in the bathroom. The mold will look like blackish or greenish in color. The mildew will look like white or grey in color. The mold or mildew in the bathroom leads to many diseases to the guest and the housekeeping associate as well. To avoid the mold or mildew formation in the room, you have to make sure your bathroom exhauster is working. Your bathroom should have proper ventilation. You must use proper disinfectants and chemicals in the bathroom. Make sure that there is no soap scum in the shower wall. Always wash them with the hot water and clean it with the proper chemicals. If you feel that the bathroom beadings or silicone fillings are getting affected by the mold or mildew, you make sure that you are informing engineering and changing it at the earliest to avoid spreading. You can use dehumidifier to control the humidity in the room, and check with your chemical advisor. Use this hot water plus disinfectant solution or hot water plus bleach solution. Scrub them properly, sanitize them properly so that your mold or mildew from the bathroom can be removed. Ecolab and Diversitaski are also having the solution. Ecolab has Ecolab Gel Pro and Diversitaski has Diversitaski Sani Mold Out. Comment below if you have any solutions or suggestions to get rid of these 4 deadly sins of housekeeping. If you want to know more about housekeeping, click this playlist. Thank you for watching till the end. We will meet in the next video soon.